In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can update the data into MySQL table from a Java program. So we have an employee table. It contains a data, one record, name is Deepak and salary is this one. So we will update the name Deepak to something else. So maybe Deepak 1 or 2. So let's start the Eclipse, and we have a MySQL connector Java bin.jar file in the project. So this is the JDBC connector file for MySQL, which is already there in my project. So first create a new project, file new Java project, and name it as JDBC example 3 and click on the finish. Next thing is to include the jar file, that is library file for connecting to the MySQL database, and for this we create a new folder called liblib, and we can just copy from any project or you can download and include here. So go to the build path and then add the library, and this is MySQL connector Java bin.jar file. Okay, now we will create a new package. Now we should create a new class file, and we can include the public static void main and the source code. So this is ready, and what we can do is first of all import the java.sql.asterisk. So it will import all the required JDBC library files. So first of all we'll have to connect to the database. So let me copy this code from this project, copy and then paste here. So this is update value in MySQL table, database URL, database name and the driver. So we are connecting to the, so we are loading the JDBC driver here, making the connection to the database, and then we'll have to create the statement object. So statement is equal to con.create statement, and then we'll construct the query string SQL equal to update, and then table name, then set name equal to Deepak1, where ID equal to 1. So our SQL is ready, and then we'll call the statement.execute update. So statement.execute update, and then we'll pass the SQL as a parameter. So it will update the data into the database, and we can print a message that data updated. So it's simple, and we'll have to close the statement, state.close, then connection.close is already written here. So it is ready, and let's run the example. So right click and then run as Java application and data updated. So let's check the data. Yeah, it is data updated. So in this tutorial you learned how to update the data in MySQL table using the SQL update statement. You can find hundreds of tutorials on Java programming language for accessing the database using the JDBC library. So these are the tutorials. You can visit our website roseindia.net/jdbc/index.html and learn all this JDBC programming here. We have tutorials on other programming languages like Hibernate, Struts, XML, Spring, testing framework, databases, and so on. Technology, then PHP. So we have a lot of tutorials on our website. So visit our website to learn these technologies. Thanks for watching the tutorial.